द्वितीयः पाठः सेकेंड लेसन प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर कठिनशब्दार्थाः हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग्स शनैः स्लोली शीघ्रं क्विकली अपि also अत्र here तत्र there मधुरम sweet पत्रम leaf or a letter सः he सा she tat that these are the words we are going to learn and practice in this lesson. महिषः शनैः चलति. Buffalo walks slowly. अश्वः शीघ्रं धावति. Horse runs fast. अश्वः horse शीघ्रं fast धावति runs बिडालः तत्र गच्छति cat walks there बिडालः cat तत्र there गच्छति goes or walks कुक्कुरः अत्र चलति कुक्कुरः a dog अत्र here चलति moves or walks अमरनाथः फलं खादति अमरनाथ eats a fruit अमरनाथः a name of a person फलं fruit खादति eats कन्या अपि फलं खादति कन्या a girl अपि also phalam fruit khadati eats. So what do we see in this page, particularly in this lesson? Third person singular. The verb ends with ti. We are going to practice the verbs ends with ti. So in previous lesson we have seen ti, taha, anti, si, thaha, tha, ami, avaha, amaha. These are the endings of verbs in present tense. In this lesson you are learning the verb end with ti. Chalati, dhavati, gacchati, chalati, khadati, again khadati. See the subject. Subject is in singular. Mahishaha, Ashwaha, Bidalaha, Kukkuraha, Amaranathaha, Kanya. These are the subjects. So again read the sentences. Mahishaha Shanaihi Chalati. Buffalo walks slowly. Ashwaha Shighram Dhavati. Horse runs fast. Bidalaha Tatra Gacchati. Cat goes there. Kukkuraha Atra Chalati. Dog walks here. Amaranathaha phalam khadati. Amarnath eats fruit. Kanya api phalam khadati. A girl also eats fruit. Let's go to the next page. Amba atra gachati. Mother goes here. Janakaha tatra chalati. Father walks there. Saha Ramaha asti. He is Ram. Saha, he. Asti is Ramaha, Ram. Saha Vrikshaha asti. That is a tree. Even you can say he is a tree. It is not wrong according to Sanskrit. Saha is used as per Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha is Pullinga. What we understood before, we don't consider the meaning when we use the adjectives and pronouns. So, Saha is the pronoun used for a masculine word. So, Saha Vrikshaha. The usage is Saha Vrikshaha. We will not use neuter gender here. But when we understand the meaning in English, as per English grammar, we will tell that is a tree. Next sentence. Sa kanya asti. Sa, she, asti is kanya, a girl. She is a girl. Sa lalana asti. She is a lady. Sa, she, asti is lalana, a lady. Tat phalam asti. That is a fruit. Tat, that, asti is phalam, fruit. That is a fruit. Tat phalam. Tat is used for neuter gender word. So, tat phalam asti, that is a fruit. Tat madhuram asti, that is sweet. Tat, that, asti is madhuram, sweet. Saha sureshaha asti. He is Suresh. Saha patram likhati. He writes a letter. Patram, a letter. Saha patram likhati. He writes a letter. Sa balika asti. She is a girl. Sa, she, asti is balika, a girl. She is a girl. Sa chitram pashyati. She looks at the picture. Chitram, a picture, a photo. Tat udyanam asti. That is a garden. Tat, that, asti is udyanam, a garden. Tat sundaram asti. That is beautiful. Tat, that, asti is sundaram, beautiful. So here what we understand, see. Amba, female. Janakaha, male. What is the ending of the verb? Ti. So verb doesn't have the gender. Gachati, chalati means gachati. He or she or it goes. Chalati, he, she or it walks. We have seen the sentences. Saha Ramaha asti. Saha Vrikshaha asti. Sa Kanya asti. Sa Lalana asti. Tat phalam asti. Tat madhuram asti. Here, no need of using asti. We can say Saha Ramaha. Saha Vrikshaha. Sa Kanya. Sa Lalana. Tat phalam. Tat madhuram. We can say like this. Saha Sureshaha asti. He is Suresh. No need to say asti. Saha Sureshaha is enough. Same way, Sa Balika. Tat Udyanam. When we have to say to self-introduction or someone's introduction, no need to use asti. That we understand by this.